Hello, Rev.Secution Nation. Welcome to episode 1 after the walk around of the Buell Blast Revival series here, and I am your host, Reverend J. And today, well, before we get into today's project, as you can see, I went ahead and pulled the carburetor off. It is soaking and cleaning as we speak. So what I'm going to do, or the plans for today, is I've got one of my cordless drill batteries there. You can see a couple wires coming off of it because I'm going to use that as a jumper pack for the battery here. Now, when I bought the bike, it did not come with a key, and I was told that this little pigtail down here is what helps the bike run, and this is the other end of that pigtail. Is it true? Is it not? I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out together. So let's go ahead and make sure, positive on positive. So let's see if we can, got it right in there, right at the cables. Alright, and then this one, no sparks, good. Okay. That's awful loose, but it should be enough for testing. As we can see, we got nothing, so let's plug this in, see what it did. Ooh! Hey. Okay. We got lights, we got neutral. The odometer is burned out, but hey, let's okay, there's that. See, and we do have tag and tail lights, so that's all well and good. So before we try and bump it, again, we're not trying to start the bike, we're just trying to test the electronics and make sure the motor is free. Alright, so we got nice turn signal. Oh, that one's hanging, but I do like the strobe. And let's see. Okay, we got that. Yes, alright. We got that one. So our turn signals, damn bamboo. Our turn signals are working, and what do you know, our odometer decided to come back, so we have a 5,794 mile bike. That's pretty awesome. Alright, let's see. The horn don't work, but that's alright. Let's see, okay. High and low beams work. And the momentary contact. Alright, so that's all looking really well and good. So I think it's finally time to try and bump this thing. Again, the attempt is not to get it to start or anything. I know the oil on the dipstick is completely empty, so I'm not going to crank it over too long. I'm just going to, like I say, bump it. So I'm hearing a noise down here, but I'm also hearing the starter click. Now that may be that, it's not getting enough voltage because the cables are too small, or the ground one is loose, but so, yeah, and there's almost sounds like a fuel pump or something up here, but I don't know if you guys can hear it, but anyway, so alright, we know the electronics are all good. I'll come back at a later time and work on the starter issues. I think it may be, like I say, just not getting enough voltage there at the back. But for $300, this bike is looking better and better every day. Alright guys, talk to you next time. Peace!